Hello, in this video I want to show you how to find the sound settings on Nokia C21 Plus. And to do this we'll need to open our settings. Right here, navigate. You can scroll down if you can't see it, but I can already see it, so let's click on the sound settings here, and now we can adjust the volume, change from vibrate for calls, enter do not disturb, change the shortcut to prevent ringing. You can switch phone ringtone for SIM2, and see more advanced settings, which is default notification sound, default alarm sound, dial pad tones, screen locking sound, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds and touch vibrations. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.